In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best driveway alarm. So let's get started. Number 7. GUARDLINE Long Range. When you need a long-range driveway alarm that doesn't compromise on quality, take a look at the GUARDLINE Long Range Wireless Driveway Alarm. Install up to 16 sensors using the screw-mounted backing plates and aim the sensor to create a 40-foot monitored zone. Each detector sends a signal to the home receiver up to a quarter-mile away, through trees and other obstacles. The in-home unit can be programmed to use unique audible signals for different zones. While less expensive monitors may give false alarms, this one combines motion and heat detection to avoid being tripped by things like falling leaves. Number 6. One BITIWEND Driveway Alarm. Adding long-range driveway alarms to your property doesn't have to be expensive, thanks to the One BITIWEND Driveway Alarm. This is the most affordable option on our list, and it still offers 2 wireless transmitters and an in-home receiver that can function up to 1,000 feet apart. Each sensor unit monitors a 45-degree field with a 24-foot range. When a sensor detects motion, the receiver can be programmed to produce an audible alarm, flashing light, or both. Up to 5 transmitters can be used with one receiver. Transmitters require 3 AAA batteries, and the receiver can either be plugged in or use 3C batteries. The small transmitters can be easily installed outdoors or inside. Number 5. EMACROS Long Range Solar. When you need as much range as possible, choose the EMACROS Long Range Solar Wireless Driveway Alarm. These solar-powered sensors don't require wired installation or battery replacement. In testing, this system proved effective at ranges up to half a mile, making it one of the farthest-reaching options on our list. Durable sensors use PVC construction and sealed closures to resist water, heat, and cold. A ball-end socket attachment to the mounting plate allows each sensor to be precisely aimed. Choose between 20-foot and 30-foot sensitivity settings to avoid false alarms. Additional sensors can be purchased, for a total of 4 per in-home receiver. Number 4. MULE Wireless. If you only want to be notified when cars enter your driveway, the MULE Wireless Driveway Alarm is a great option. Unlike other systems that detect motion or heat, this device only activates when the electromagnetic sensor detects a car's large, metallic presence. You won't be bothered by false alarms caused by wind, animals, or pedestrians. The small, 12-foot radius makes this a perfect solution for urban areas, where farther-reaching sensors would constantly be activated by city traffic. Once installed, the sensor signals the remote base station up to 400 feet away to create an audible chime. Number 3. BITIWEND Solar Driveway Alarm. This driveway sensor and receiver have a 650-foot range. The sensor has a large solar panel for charging. It uses PIR technology to detect motion that's within a 13-foot range. When you mount your sensor 50 feet high, it has a detection range of 30 degrees vertically and 60 degrees horizontally. The housing is waterproof for durability. You have 52 chimes and an LED indicator to customize your alerts. There are also 4 sound levels to choose from, so you're sure to hear the alerts. The system can expand up to 20 sensors for complete protection. The downside of this unit is that the installation requirements are very specific, and they may not work with your property or security needs. Number 2. MULE HOSMART Rechargeable. The HOSMART driveway alarm is wireless and battery-powered, with a rechargeable battery and low battery alarm. The driveway alarm sensor and receiver can be placed 1,500 feet from each other to help protect your home within a distant range. It's easy to install and automatically sounds a loud alarm when vehicles and people are within 30 feet of your home. The driveway alarm has 3 adjustable sensitivity settings and connects to unlimited sensors and receivers to help protect your home. Number 1. RODANN Wireless Driveway. The RODANN weatherproof driveway alarm is battery-operated with 2 AA batteries with easy DIY installation for both homes and businesses. The driveway alarm sensor and receiver can be placed 1,000 feet from each other to help protect your home within a distant range. RODANN's alarm detects motion within 50 feet and is designed not to be sensitive to shadows, sunlight, or car headlights to limit false alarms.